the ocean, going to the Atlantic. It is so pretty out here. It's hot, but I can deal with it. Yeah, it's a huge water slide on the other side. My kids have been enjoying. Yes, there's nothing like being by the ocean, clean ocean water. I've yet to get bitten by a mosquito, thank God. It is gorgeous. I'm not swimming in the ocean. I am scared of jellyfish. But I've been swimming all day at the pool right outside my room door. Oh, look at this water. Just checking in, letting you all see some of the scenery that I've been enjoying. Me and the kids. That water is gorgeous. I wish I could get some lobster and crabs straight out of there on my own. You all have a great, blessed day. One love.